This chewable tablet is a multivitamin product designed for adults aged 50 and over. It is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency, which can occur due to a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and play a vital role in maintaining good health. Taking this multivitamin can help ensure that you are getting all the necessary vitamins and minerals your body needs. The recommended daily dosage is 1 tablet, and it is best to take it with a meal to maximize absorption. It is important to take this medication at the same time every day to maintain consistent levels of vitamins in your body. Make sure to chew the Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet multivitamin thoroughly and swallow it. You should take it once a day, as directed on the product package or by your doctor. It's important not to take more than the recommended dosage. If you have any questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. Taking this multivitamin regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. Try to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. When taking Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet multivitamins, some common side effects may include constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. While serious allergic reactions to this medication are rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, it's essential to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Always consult your healthcare professional for medical advice if you have any concerns. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's crucial to keep it away from children as accidental overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. If overdose occurs, seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before taking Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet multivitamins, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to its ingredients, or if you have a history of alcohol use, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to discuss any vitamin B12 deficiency with your healthcare provider, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating this anemia. It's also important to mention if you have phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to restrict your intake of aspartame, as this medication may contain it. Before any surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this medication. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet multivitamins. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine the best dosing schedule that works with all of your medications. Additionally, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking certain anti-seizure drugs. It's also important to be aware that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false results. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all of your doctors that you are taking this medication. In case of an overdose with serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or a poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Remember to keep all your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that this product is not a replacement for a healthy diet. It's always best to get your vitamins from nutritious foods. Make sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines given by your doctor. If you are taking Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet Multivitamins on a prescribed schedule and miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is near the time of the next dose, skip the missed dose. Take your next dose at the regular time. Do not double the dose to catch up. Remember to always follow the instructions on the label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. When storing Centrum Adult 50 plus 80 Mcg Chewable Tablet Multivitamins, it's important to keep them at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing them in the bathroom and make sure to keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, it's important not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.